Okay, so today I'm going to be going in very depth detail of how to make it, or not how to make it an invisible deck, but how to set up your invisible deck. If you have any questions about what I was using in my video on how to make your invisible deck, this is what I was using. Turn on the light. Sealer and protect. Clear, sealer, flat. Make sure it says clear, sealer, flat. Or clear sealer. It's Valspar, which is a brand, and it works. It just works for your invisible decks. Turn on the light. Okay, so I'll show you how this is set up. It's kind of complicated, but it's not at the same time. You take out the jokers. Obviously, you know there's two sides. You should know there's two sides to the deck. Okay, so what you're going to do is take out the jokers, like I said, and just before I start, if you have any questions on what I used to make this or how to set this up, either leave it in the comment or email me at, well, it'll be in the description on what to email me by. I haven't checked my email for quite a while, so, but I guess I'll be checking it every Sunday now. Okay, okay, so let's just start with this. Queens are paired up with aces because queen is considered 12, ace is considered 1, and they all have to equal 13. 2 would be paired up with the jack because 2, your jack is considered 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. And black kings are considered to be even cards. The reason you need to know that is because if you look at this deck, all the cards are even on this side, and on this side all the cards are odd. Okay? The next thing you need to know, well, actually I said black kings are even and red kings are odd. So 4 would be paired up with the 9. So the other thing you need to know is clubs are paired up with diamonds, and hearts are paired up with spades. The only exception to this, to adding up to 13, is kings are paired up with kings, but the same principle, clubs are paired up with diamonds, and spades are paired up with hearts. So, now when you put the cards into the box, you need to remember which side had the odd cards and which side had the even cards to them. So, you know this is the odd side and this is the even side. So you ask somebody, pick a card, let's just say 2 of clubs. Okay, this is you need to go to the odd side, you need to go to the opposite of what, say 2 of clubs, that's an even card. You need to go to the odd side, so you go to the odd side. 2 of clubs, which is here, would be paired up with the jack of diamonds, which is at the very end of the pack. And you just, as you get to the bottom, you separate it. You separate the 2 cards that are stuck together. Separate them. And make it look natural and it'll be the 2 clubs. Let's just do a better example. I'm not going to put the cards back in the box because you already know there's 2 sides to this deck. Let's say 10 of diamonds, No, I used that before. Let's use Queen of Clubs. Queen of Clubs, that's a good one. Queen of Clubs is considered to be even. Go to the odd side. Queen of Clubs is 12, so you have to do 13 minus 12, which is 1, to be an ace. Clubs is paired up with diamonds, so you have to go to the ace of diamonds to find this card, and they're separating for some reason. Ace of diamonds. So you're saying to yourself ace of diamonds, and here it is. And the way I like to separate it, when you get down there, is when you reach to the card, you just hold it and separate. Just like that. I don't know if you saw that, but just like that. Separate and show. Now, whenever you go to show the card, you can have them pull it out. They might feel that the card's rough, but they won't notice it. There you go. And so, yeah. I'll do one more example. You can't really shuffle these cards because they separate when you shuffle them. You can't shuffle these unless you actually cut to a... No, you can't shuffle these. There's no way. So, anyways. So, let's say the person says an odd card this time. Ace of spades. Say that. Ace to 12. Okay, so ace would be a 12, which is a queen. Ace of spades would be paired up with the queen of hearts. So we go to the queen of hearts on the even side. Queen of hearts, separate them. Shows the rest of the deck is down, or there's no other face down cards. Have them take it. They take it. They flip it over. Ace of spades. Ask them to put it back, face down. They will. And show them that their card has disappeared again. That's it. It's a pretty easy trick to perform. It doesn't take any skill at all. It's just the only move really is, I'll do the ace of hearts, or ace of spades again. The only move really is that, to just separate cards. So, that's it. Pretty easy trick, but definitely worth. This was $4. The two decks together were $5.50. Or sorry, $4.50. So that's $8.50 for an invisible deck instead of paying $9 like online. So there you go. Thanks for watching.